Hey you guys, it's Amira and I'm coming to you today with a frontal wig install. So if you would like to see how I applied this wig, just keep on watching. So I've already applied my wig off camera. I can make a separate video for that, but here's the wig and I'm going to start out with some Ghost Bond glue. I like to do 2 layers of glue and I apply my glue in 3 sections. I'm going to spread that out with the end of a rat tail comb and use cold air until it's clear. Now I'm going to take the wig and stretch it to my head while applying that middle section. And I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb and a blow dryer to lay the lace down. I'm taking alcohol just to remove any extra glue from my cap, and I'm going to repeat the steps. Now I'm going to secure the hook in the back of my wig and apply elastic band to my hairline. And now going in with a hot comb. I'm using lace tint in areas that I think it needs. I'm going to go with the side part, so I'm making my part and I'm about to begin my baby hairs. Now I'm going to section off the hair that I would like to use for my baby hairs following a wax stick. I'm going to trim those hairs and use my flat iron to curl them upward. Now I'm going in with my edge brush and Eco while using my finger to keep the edges in place. I'm going to do that same method around my whole hairline. Now that my edges are finished, I'm going to part my hair and just add some water. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know in the comments what you would like to see next.